Baskin-Robbins, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Baskin-Robbins. Baskin-Robbins is a famous ice cream brand that has made people happy since 1945. They have fun and tasty flavors, and their idea of 31 flavors mixes old traditions with new ideas to give customers a sweet experience. Anecdote. One of the first store owners started in a small shop, and his story inspired many other people to follow their dreams too. How does a Baskin-Robbins franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Baskin-Robbins lets people open their own stores using their brand, and they have to follow the company's rules. Fee structure. To start, you pay around $25,000. After that, you give the company a small part of your earnings each month, about 5%, 5.9%. Support from Baskin-Robbins. They help you learn everything with training, help you run the store, and do big marketing campaigns.
Anecdote. The first store owner did so well that others wanted to open their own stores too.
Entry costs for Baskin-Robbins. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Starting a Baskin-Robbins store costs between $37,400 and $62,600. This covers fees, fixing up the shop, supplies, and equipment. Potential earnings. A store makes around $50,000 to $21,000 a year, which helps you earn back what you spent pretty quickly.
Anecdote. One investor made more money than expected and showed how profitable the business can be.
Step by step. How to register a Baskin-Robbins franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. You start by talking to the franchise team and they check if you're a good fit. Documentation. You need a business plan, money records, and information about where your shop will be. Duration. It usually takes between 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote. One person finished the whole process in just 3 months, which was really impressive.
Taxes and fees in Baskin-Robbins. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. You pay 10% to 37% of your yearly earnings. Property taxes. These cost 1%, 5% of what you earn and only cover your shop's building. State and local taxes. These add up to 1%, 3% of earnings and include sales tax and other local charges. Licensing fees. You pay around 0.5%, 1% each year for licenses. Marketing fees. You give about 5% of your income for ads and promotions.
Anecdote. One shop owner was very good at doing taxes, and he even inspired local students to learn more about business.
5. Hiring employees in Baskin-Robbins. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A store usually has 10-15 workers to help everything run smoothly. Training costs. Training costs $300 to $700 for each person and includes classes and practice. Training systems. They use old-school training and also modern online lessons.
Anecdote. They once had a contest during training to see who had the best customer service, and now they do it every year.
6. Baskin-Robbins. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. You spend about $15,000 to $25,000 each month on supplies. Salaries and benefits. You pay $10,000 to $2,000 monthly for your workers. Rent and utilities. Rent is $5,000, $15,000, and water and electricity cost $1,000, $3,000 per month. Maintenance and repairs. Fixing things costs $500 to $1,000 a month. Licensing and marketing fees. These fees are $3,500 to $8,000 each month. Total of all taxes, you pay $3,000 to $5,000 in taxes monthly.
Anecdote: one shop used a special system to track spending and saved a lot of money.
7. Training and support. How does Baskin-Robbins help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. You get 10 to 90 hours of training that includes both lessons and hands-on practice. Operational support. Experts visit your shop to help you regularly. E-learning platform. An online learning site helps you keep improving your skills. Marketing. Big ad campaigns help your shop grow.
Anecdote: one shop owner used his training to create a fun promotion that brought in lots of new customers.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Baskin-Robbins. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Company teams visit your store 4 times a year. Internal inspections. You also do one big checkup each year to keep quality high. Frequency. Checks happen 3 to 4 times every year.
Anecdote: one surprise inspection gave a store a special award because it was so well organized.
9. Profitability of Baskin-Robbins. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Most stores make a net profit of 40%, 50%. ROI. You usually get back your investment in 18 to 24 months. Success factors. The best stores are in good locations, run well, and keep customers happy.
Anecdote: one store made back all its money in 18 months, which inspired many future owners.
10. Baskin-Robbins in the market. How is the brand performing today? Key information. Market position. Baskin-Robbins has over 2,200 stores in the U.S. and more than 8,000 worldwide. Growth and expansion. The brand is growing fast, especially in other countries. Challenges and forecast. New ideas and lots of support help the brand stay strong and competitive.
Anecdote: new tools like mobile ordering help the brand reach record-breaking sales.
11. Pros and cons of a Baskin-Robbins franchise. What do you need to know before deciding? Key information. Pros. A. Big, well-known brand with history. B. Lots of support and help. C. Good profits and fast return. D. Many stores mean stability. Cons. A. High starting costs. $307,400 $622,600. B. Ongoing fees every month. C. High quality rules to follow. D. Many other ice cream shops to compete with.
Anecdote: one hardworking owner beat the challenges and became a role model for other local business people.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. You should study the market well before starting. Financial assessment. Make sure you understand your money and possible profits. Consultations with experts. Talk to people who know franchising to avoid mistakes. Support evaluation. Check what kind of help the company gives. Franchise agreement analysis. Read and understand the franchise contract carefully.
Anecdote: one smart business owner studied everything and avoided a big mistake. Now his shop is making great money.
Conclusion. Who is the Baskin-Robbins franchise for and is it worth investing? Baskin-Robbins is great for people who want to run their own business with a famous ice cream brand. With a cost between $37,400 $622,600 and a quick return in 18 to 24 months, This franchise gives steady income and big growth chances in a fast-moving market. Anecdote. One local owner got his money back fast and became an inspiration for young people who want to start a business too. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Panera Bread. Is Panera Bread a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.